Hey everybody, today we're opening the new A3500 Vitamix. Now, I've had an old Super 5000 for probably about 20 years. This thing's got a 10-year warranty. The other one's still going, but why did I get the 3500? Well, because it has the cups and bowls attachment. It has the Smart Detect, so it knows what's on here. We got the 12-cup food processor attachment. And we're going to open these up today, and we're probably going to use this and make some hummus right away. So let's set the food processor aside and let's get the Vitamix itself open first. So we got instructions or some kind of paperwork. Wow, look at that. Let's get this all opened up and everything out before we look at it. That's your masher. I don't know what they actually call it, but that's so you don't chew your fingers off. Get the Smart Base out of the box here, and that looks like it. Wow, this thing's like twice as big as the 5000. Check that out. Alright, so the new Vitamix has the touch interface, which is nice because my old one's all manual. This has 5 programmable settings. It's got a programmable timer, and it's got variable speed and pulse. Now, take a look at this right here. This is 8 cups, 64 ounces right here. It's got the snap lid, just like the food processor has. And this piece right here, take a look at this real close. This is actually a tiny measuring cup. If you need a ½ ounce or an ounce of liquid, you can put it right in here and pour this. That's a really nice feature on this new one that we don't have on the old one. So I don't have anything to mix yet, but let's get this other box open and check this out. Blending Cups and Bowls Starter Kit. See what's in this. Looks like this is what I could have used for my smoothie this morning. And more paperwork. Actually, it's got a really nice little, looks like some recipes in here, how to use it. Get this all unpacked here. Like I said, I made a smoothie this morning. Actually, I had some strawberries left over, some blueberries, and some raspberries. And I put that in my Vitamix. And I thought I was going to have a smoothie, but then I decided to add rum for the liquid instead of water. So it's kind of like a daiquiri, so maybe a smackery. It was delicious. I made that with the old Vitamix, just in time to bring in this new guy. I think the old one's jealous. It's going to a good home though. Look at this. They just needed space to take up, so this box worked out right. So an empty box. Alright, so we have the bowl and cup kit all unpacked. Let me take a time out before I get to this and go back to this for 1 second and talk about this programmable timer. You know, a lot of people, why would a programmable timer be nice? Well, I'll tell you why. Because there's a lot of things that you want to mix up in this, but you don't want them hot. You can make soup in this, and if you just let it go, it gets your soup warmer and warmer and warmer, and this actually makes some really hot soup. So that's why you would want to program it, because we're going to use the food processor in a minute to make some hummus, and we definitely don't want that hot. So we want to program it for a certain amount of time, and it shuts off. So my old Super 5000, it just had switches. It was on or off. So I'm really going to like this programmable feature. All right, back to the cups and bowls. So with a normal Vitamix, if you're going to mix something in here, you'd put your light stuff here, light, and then put your heavy stuff on top. So as it blends, it kind of pushes it down. With the bowl and cup kit, you're actually going to pack the stuff in there opposite. So you're going to put your heavy stuff on the bottom. And the reason why is because this screws right on here. And then you're going to take this off, fit it right on here, and everything's upside down. This fits together super nice, just screws on, and remember, you want to screw it on like this so you don't spill everything. It does have a nice rubber seal around here, and when you're done, if you want to take your smoothie on the road with you, that's a nice little to-go cup with looks like a flip top here. Yeah, look at that. And then you're going to store this maybe in the refrigerator. It also has a rubber ring. Actually, there's rubber rings around everything here. So these seal nicely. The blender base. There you go. So we're going to get to the food processor in the very next video here. So there's the A3500 right there. You can make an enormous amount of things just with this kit right here. You can make soups. You can make frozen desserts. You can make ice cream in this thing, which is another reason why you want that timer, because you don't want melted ice cream. You can make dips and spreads in this. It is amazing the amount of things you can make. And if you have any questions or looking for a recipe, check out Vitamix's website. It is loaded, packed, full of recipes that you can make with this right here. So thanks for checking this video out. I'm going to open the Vitamix 12 cup food processor attachment in just a minute, but we're going to do that in a separate video. So check that video. I'll put the link right down in the description, but I hope you get this. I hope you love it as much as I do. This has a 10-year warranty. Definitely, you can't go wrong with this thing. I've had my old one, like I said, for about 20 years. So thanks for stopping, and click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Have a great day.